Hey, what's up, guys? I want to make a quick little video for you today, talking about a niche that I would recommend that you not end up uploading designs to your Merch by Amazon account. You're going to see this niche trending because of the news that happened overnight in Japan. You might have already heard, but the president from Japan, Shinzo Abe, I think is how you pronounce his name, was assassinated last night. And you can see there's already shirts up. There's actually kind of a good amount. There's already 95. You see here there's one, two, three. I think this whole page already has these kind of pray for, Abe shirts. And, this is, in my opinion, this is kind of a risky niche to get into. This is a risky niche to upload designs to. And the reason why, first, just in general, it's just not a good idea to, upload designs with people's names. But the main reason why it's risky is because you're profiting off of a human tragedy, and that's against the terms of service Merch by Amazon. So pretty risky niche to get into, in my opinion. It's going to be tempting because we're probably going to see some really good BSRs on this, and these are pretty easy designs to make. But in my opinion, a little too risky for me. I always try and think like the long term. I'm trying to make money with merch for as long as possible. And so I want to be in good standing with my account. So, every month I can get that passive income. And when you take risks like this, it's kind of putting your account at risk. And once your account's gone, it's pretty much impossible to get it back. So, avoid this niche. There's, so many other niches that you can get into. Right now things are kind of slow, but you still got the Roe v. Wade niche, which is really good right now. And soon we're going to be coming up to back to school, which is going to be like the next big niche. So just, avoid the temptation. Not everything that glitters is gold. So, I'd recommend probably staying away from this niche right here. And then let's just take a quick look at how sales have been going. So, it's only 9 in the morning, so no sales yet. Yesterday I actually blanked. I only got one. Oh, that's not true. I blanked in the U.S. market. I got one sale in, I think in the U.K. But the day before that, I even had a return. Look at that. But the day before that, I actually had a good day. You're going to see right here, I had 11 sales, $37 in royalties. Usually for me, when I tend to have a good day like this, usually the next day always kind of sucks, but that's just how it goes, or how it's gone for me on a merch. And then Etsy has also been kind of slow. This is just kind of a slow time of the year, but let's just go to the monthly stats. And let's see this month, so not jamming too much once it loads. Thinking maybe at like 600 in revenue. Yeah. So only 25 orders. Right now I'm on pace to only do about 2,000, which is kind of what I did last month. The month before was like 4,500. Let's just take a look at those yearly stats. So this year I was on a nice uptrend, but then it just kind of died off after Father's Day. Again, that's kind of normal. You're going to see right here. Let me turn the screen brightness up so you can see the trend line. So right here you're going to see for May it was really good, 4,500, but then it just kind of fell off a cliff, and we're probably going to end up doing around the same amount, I would assume. But again, once back to school comes around, things will start jamming again. And then I'm just going to show you a few services that I offer. So this is a service that I offer on Fiverr, where I do critiques of people's Etsy shop. I'm up to 170 reviews. I have 3 orders in queues. I'll leave the link for this in the description. But you can see when you look at the reviews, people seem to really like the work that I'm doing. 167 5-star reviews, and people leave these like really long reviews talking about how, like, I can't believe what good value this was. Let's go to the most recent one. Most recent was actually a pretty good one. So this guy from the United States, such detailed information that I can immediately start utilizing. I plan on working on what he has helped me with and definitely be back for the next steps. Highly recommend. So if that's something that you're interested, take a look. I also do SEO for people on Fiverr as well for Etsy. So if you have Etsy listings that aren't performing too well, you don't have a great understanding of how SEO on Etsy works, I will revise those listings for you. You get an optimized title and you get 13 optimized tags. And then I also have some courses on Skillshare. So if you like Skillshare, if you have an account with Skillshare, you can check out my courses. One is on Redbubble, Fiverr SEO, Etsy SEO, and then being successful on Etsy. This is actually the best selling course, or the course with the most students. So if you're interested, take a look at that. And that is basically it for this video. Remember, don't get into this niche. Stay away. Look for other niches. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. And I will see you on the next one. All right. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye bye.